What's up, y'all? It's the boy Glytxh, and today I'm here with my first video ever. I lied. It's not my first video. I do have a personal channel where I post vlogs. Well, kind of post. I don't post every day, but I do have videos on there. But I'm trying to get back into vlogging. So, you know, it is what it is. But I will try. I'm going to try so hard to stay consistent this time because I do have a lot of things to post and I don't post it. Like, I should just post it, right? I might as well. But today, I'm posting my first video on my car channel. This is going to be my car channel. It's strictly only for cars. So, welcome to the Geek module, where this channel is just strictly cars, car-related stuff, car mods, car, you know what I'm saying, all that. Whether you see a car, so it's going to be on this channel, basically. So, yeah, just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And, yeah, today's video, I'm going to be doing an oil change. Me and my boy Tofi right here. We're going to be doing oil changes on our cars. And I'm also going to leave his page down below because he's starting up a YouTube channel. So I'm going to leave his link down below so you guys can tune into him. He has a... I'm gonna let you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to let you guys tune in with that. But he does have a Nissan Altima, which he's planning on getting tuned. So you guys might want to see that because I think he's going to be the only tuned Nissan Altima this gen on... probably in the world. Yeah, probably. Because I haven't seen a tuned one like this in ever. So he's probably going to be the first one. Other than that, we about to get our oil change done. And yeah, I'm going to check my tires because I do have a road trip coming. And yeah, let's see what's going on. We're going to see what's going on. And yeah, let's stay... Hold on, what's that? Anyways, so yeah, let's get through with the rest of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification to stay notified. And yeah, let's go. Oh, that's my trunk. You see that in the back? That's my trunk. I'm like, what's that? That's my trunk. But yeah, y'all. Yeah. So yeah, let's go through the rest of the video. Time for B-roll. Alright. Alright, y'all, so we about to start the oil changes on both cars. He's gonna do his, I'm gonna do mine. And yeah, let's get this thing started. Hopefully we can get it done before a certain time. Got a lot of content coming. His car is fully, like, it's modified already, but he's adding so much other things to it, so I'm sure you guys want to tune into that. And it's cold outside, but we gotta get the oil changes done, so let's just start that up. And then yeah, I'm also gonna add clips of when I did my... Should I even show y'all? No, I'm not gonna show y'all yet. I'm gonna add clips of when I did the... Damn, it's cold, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna add clips of when I did my intake. I did add an intake to the car, so the car does sound different. I got a little bit more sound going, so you know, make sure y'all tune in and watch the end of the video. I got slippers on. I just realized I got shoes in the trunk though, so I'm about to change, put my shoes on. I'm riling. But yeah, bro, you want to shout yourself out real quick? Let me let him shout himself out real quick. There you go. All right.
Yo, it's Tofi. Gonna be doing an oil change on both of our cars. Well, y'all gonna see the cars in the video, so don't really need to shout it out as much right now, to be honest. Both of our cars, my car is mostly modified, but Glytxh over here is just starting to modify his car, so
Yep.
and he got a long way to go, but can't wait to see his car built, fully built. Yeah, nice car, bro. Can't wait till shit is good on once.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, I got a ton done to it, but I ain't gonna shout out everything I did to it in this video.
If y'all want to know what he did to his car, make sure y'all tune into his channel. I'm gonna leave the channel down below. And yeah, y'all can tune in, y'all can subscribe. Make sure y'all like his videos. He's just now starting YouTube. Me, like I said before in the intro, I do have a personal channel. So I'm gonna leave both links down below. Make sure y'all tune into his car channel because he is now officially a YouTuber. Alright. Trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get him to do something different. So yeah, make sure y'all tune in. Alright. So yeah, we about to start it up now. So yeah. Make sure y'all watch to the end of the video. And yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, so here's an update. I do have a splash guard underneath the car, and I got some bolts out, but some of them are stuck. So I'm gonna have to force them out or, you know, get the drill, which is all the way at the house. But I'm not doing that. We'll get this out. We'll get this completed. Let's get back to it. I had to improvise and put something together just so I could get it out. Finally out. Let me show you guys. So it's out, and now you gotta pull that plug, drop it, well, pull the plug, pull the filter, drop it, throw some new oil in it. So let's get that started now. Alright, y'all, so unfortunately the drain plug got stuck and I had to call for some reinforcement, and he's here now and he's helping us out now. So yeah, the plug got rounded. And now we are trying to get it out. And now we have to go to AutoZone and get a new drain plug and figure it out. Change it out, because who would want a rounded bolt, you know, for next time, you know? Yeah, bro, nobody wants a rounded bolt. So yeah, take this out and then get a new plug and then change the oil filter. Yeah, it should be good. After that, I'm gonna jack up the car, check my brakes, see what's going on, see if I gotta change them, and then yeah. What if the bolt is frozen though? It can't be though. It can't be. I don't think so, because it's not as cold like how it was the past couple of days.
But it is tight. It's bolted on too tight.
It is bolted on too tight. I don't know how he bolted, because it was him that did the tighten it last time. But I don't think he used the drill or anything, because the drill can't even fit. Like, he was just trying.
A short bit. I have the long bits.
Yeah, facts. Word. All right. Well,
I'm trying to mess up that.
we go get it out. Once this shit come out, bro, we changing this. We gonna change the bolt, but I don't want you, because he gotta go to work. So I don't want to hold him for too long. But yeah, because if anything, I would leave it here jacked up, but I wouldn't want to, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, I can't leave you
Nah, that's a fact. He said I can't leave you like that. Yeah. See, I appreciate this guy. You see? Get y'all, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all a friend like this. Get yourself a brother like this. You know what I'm saying? Or so. Alright, or we gotta figure this out. I gotta get this car ready for this road trip. 1,000-mile road trip, bro. 1,000 miles. I'm ready. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready. 1,000 miles. I already started packing, so you know. Or facts. So yeah, man. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I ain't playing with y'all. Word. Yeah, so we got that out. The oil is draining. Now we gotta put that new one in, take out the old filter, put the new filter in, and yeah. This is the old drain plug. Look at how rounded it is. It's not that rounded, which is why he was able to get it out, but this is the old one. It's crazy. The new one is way different, so yeah. But luckily we got it out, because I'm sure that could have caused some damage. Got that out, got a new one, and yeah. Alright, y'all, so here's an update on what's going on. So I went to AutoZone real quick to pick up a 13mm socket, 6-point, and it works. So now the oil is draining, and See Bob in the back. The oil's draining, and now we have successfully completed. Well, not yet, but we're draining the oil now. We're gonna take the filter out. I had to get a new drain plug, so you know, no biggie. But I don't know why it was tied up so tight. We did not tie it back up that tight when we first did an oil change, so I'm just confused as to how. Maybe it was because of the snow, maybe it was frozen, I don't know. But we got it out. I got a new drain plug. Luckily the drain plugs is not expensive, so we got that out the way. And yeah, like I said, the oil's draining. Now we're just waiting for all the oil to drain out, and then we're gonna put the new filter in, the new plug back in, drop the car, and then we're going to add the new oil. Oh wait, damn. Oh yeah, I should have one. I was thinking about a funnel, but I think I have one. So yeah, we should be good. Yeah. So that's the update. Yeah, boy, Tofi left. He went to work, so yeah, should be good. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video. We about to put in a new oil filter right now. I'm going with Fram Extra Guard. It's the first time I'm trying it out, but we'll see how it is. Let's see how it is. Oil filter out.
Okay. Give me
a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
Just know I ain't stock no more, right? So I am gonna be installing the BMS air intake into this car. Apparently, it adds better sound. I'm be able to hear the turbo sound more, and it kind of ups the performance on the car. So we'll see about that. Look at this filter. Look at how filthy it is. This shit is dirty. This filter is dirty. I don't even know when they changed it, but all I know is I gotta change it. Look at that. Spider's about to start jumping out this. This is crazy. Well, I'm gonna clean this up, throw the new filter in, and then we should be good to go.